How to fix Discord embed fail. Today guys, I have the solution how to fix and solve this problem. Just watch this video till the end. So let's start. So first you have to go and open the settings of your phone. After this, go to apps. Here you will find all the applications that you have on your phone. So you will search just for Discord. When you found Discord, just open it like this and go directly to storage. Then go to clear data and click OK. Go back and click on force stop and click OK. And the last thing is to go to Play Store and updating your Discord again. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, also subscribing in our channel. See you in another video.